morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Um, what we are going to check today is Homzen Laravel Real Estate Agency Portal. So it has so many features. As you can see, it has some home pages and all. So we have the demo account, we have the agent login, we have the test account requirements and all of that. So okay, so if we are just coming here, you have to add the add to cart. So you have added this item to your cart, right? Item added to your cart, you go to checkout. So you need to go to checkout and follow all the procedures there to install or to download your project folder or project script. So now I have already purchased mine. So and then it is available on my device. So let's go to the installation process. So after you download, you have this Homzen 125 node. So you click on it, then you have the Homzen script zip folder. So you extract file. So I have already extracted mine, and this is it. So you do not need to extract. I don't think you need that. So just leave it like this because we are going to host this into the cPanel. So let's get started. So firstly, you log in your cPanel. I have already logged in mine. So this is my own cPanel, and then four steps after login to the cPanel is to click on File Manager. So after you click on it, you go ahead to the public underscore HTML. So if you do not have any folder or any script here, so you upload that your folder here. But if you already have some projects here, you have to create a folder. So now I'm going to create a folder named Homzen, right? Homzen. So create a folder. So you've created the folder, click on that folder, and then you have to upload that zip file. So click on upload right here, click select file, and then you click on this Homzen wherever it is available on your system. So you click on Homzen and then you click on. So now here we have this Homzen hosting. We have it going on. So doing this, let's go and set up the database real quick. So manage my database. It is available on this database section. Click on manage my database. So we need to set up the database. So now let's call it Homzen as well, right? Homzen, create database. Go back. So now we have to create user Homzen as well. Homzen. So password generator. So let's copy this password. I have copied this password in a safe place. Let's copy it to the safe place. So use password and then create the user. So you have successfully created the user named Homzen, payval underscore Homzen, right? So add user to database. Homzen, select Homzen as well, and then add. Click on all privilege and then make changes. So our database name is payval underscore Homzen, right? Payval underscore Homzen, and then here's our password, right? Okay, so let's leave it like that. So we are done. We are done with the database creation. Let's see. Uh, we have to wait till this upload finish, right? Yeah. So it remains some percentage. So go back. I think we are done right here creating the database as we have the database password and the database username. So let's wait till this finish uploading. 57 blue turned green. So it has turned green now and we have this complete message. So you click on here, right? Homes in, you have to extract files. So you wait till it get extracted. So you click on close, you reload. So you have this extracted script. So you open it. You have to move all this into a single folder, right? So boom, clear. Now, so next step is after uploading. The next step is go to the public folder. So you select all these ATSS, index.php, storage, vendor, and then theme, right? So you move them to the Homzen folder itself. So now it has been moved. So you go ahead to your index.php, right? So you edit some things, slash, slash, and then this slash, right? So let's see our I think pay value was the folder I created using, right? Now we have the welcome installation process. Mhm. So let's go. So we have all this configure environment. Let's go. Site name, you can call it Homzen as well, but you can just type anything you want. You understand? Type anything you like. So I'll be using Homzen. So database name, let's go ahead and copy it right here. Database name, database username, and then the password right here. So we install. So you wait till it's installed. Now create an account. You can just create any account. So my name will be Badmus, last name will be Salam. Username, let's say Tommy, right? Tommy, my email, password 12341234, password confirmation 12341234, right? To create. So that the next step is your license is invalid. Please activate your license. Don't be scared when you see something like this. Just click on this checkbox and then click on activate license. Just that, and then boom, we are done. Activation successful, installation is finished, application has been successfully installed. So click on go to admin dashboard. So we have our script installed successfully, and then it is working as expected. Activity logs, it is working as expected. Everything we need is on air. So let's visit the dashboard, view websites. I'm using now. So we have all this. You will notice some images are not showing, right? So edit this page. This the admin has to edit it to your like. So you come ahead and edit everything you like. Look at this is the home page, permanent link, short description. See all of this. So you can edit and then make the website the way you like. So contacts. We have everything working perfectly now. So on this end, you can also create accounts, login, we have the login, we have the register, and all of that working perfectly. So that is that about the installation for the homes in Laravel real estate agency. Thank you so much.